Good morning, students. How are you all? So, I hope you all are good. Okay, students. Now we are going to start today's session. Okay. Now here is some question in front of you based on previous class. So here is the true and false. Food is a basic requirement for all living organisms. Yes. So this is a true. Yes, very good student. This is a true. So food is a basic requirement for all living organisms. I already discussed this all in our previous class. Food is very essential for our life, for living organism. They provide us energy to do our daily activity. Yes, to do our daily basis activities. Okay, students. Yes. So here is second question. Which of the following component of food is responsible for growth and repair of our body? So which of the following component of food is responsible for growth and repair of our body? Yes, we already discussed this also. Yes, so answer is protein. Protein is a responsible for growth and repair of our body. Yes, students. Yes. So so we had done with this. Yes, so in previous class we see that the what the different food item contain, what the different item contain, like there is carbohydrate, protein, vitamins, mineral, fat, that all contains in different food, different component contain different nutrients. Yes, then we are done with the carbohydrates, then protein, carbohydrate, presence of carbohydrate test, then uh, protein test. Yes, so now come to the today's topic. So here is one question for you. What do various nutrients do for our body? Yes, we take we eat different food, we eat take different items. So what do various nutrients do for our body? These nutritions जो nutrients है वो हमारे body के लिए क्या करता है? Yes, what is the role of this all nutrients? Yes. Okay, students. So see here. So this nutrient, like there is a carbohydrate. Yes, there are the carbohydrate. There are protein. There are vitamins. There are lots of things. Yes, and we know that I already told you that the carbohydrates mainly provide what? Carbohydrates mainly provide us energy, है ना? And we know that fat also gives us energy. Yes, but what happened, fat gives much more energy as compared to same amount of carbohydrates. Okay, so fat gives more energy with comparison to the carbohydrates. Okay, students, and this nutrition is very useful for our body. Like protein is helpful for our body repair. Yes, for our growth. Yes, protein is very essential. Yes, student. So vitamin is also very essential for our body. It protect us from the disease. Yes, and vitamins also help our eyes and bones, teeth, gums healthy. So vitamins is also very require or very essential for our body. There are lot of nutrition which is essential for our body. So now see here, what you see here, student, there is a lot of different food item which there are lot of different foods. Yes, so yes, now here is the our now here is see here, fat. Fat are high energy nutrient. They are needed in a moderate amount by the body. So fat are the reverse food material of our body. So there is some example: oil, ghee, butter, etc. are the source of food. Fat, I mean there are lot of food that contain fat. Okay, now see, here is some examples also. Low fat contain food, and there is a high fat contain food. So in low fat contain food, there is some dry fruits. Yes, there are some dry fruit. There are some like there are some dry fruit. There are avocado. There are some strawberries. Yes, they that all contain uh, low fat food. Okay, and in high contain food, there is a milk, meat, fish, yes, egg, they all contain very much amount of fat. Okay, students, now see here. Now, here is the test for fat. Yes, we had done with the carbohydrates, then we had done with the protein. Now, here is the test for fat. Now, what you do first, you take some food item. Okay, either it is anything you take. Then what you do, see here, what you do, take one paper and take see take one paper and take some food item or some food material into that, and then you uh, then you press it that paper, and then you when you open this, then you see there is the oil patches is present. So what they show there are the lot of fat is present. Okay, fat in the food are tested by a simple paper test. Yes, you take any type of paper, any newspaper or any you take tissue paper. Yes, and little amount of sample of food is wrapped in a paper and crushed it. Okay, then what you do, if the paper get an oily patch, is the presence of fat in the food is confirmed. So student, I think this activity, this test is very normal टेस्ट यू अपने यू ऑल्सो सी इन योर होम ऑल्सो लाइक जैसे आपके लाइक इन पेपर में जैसे कुछ फूड आइटम गिर गया हो, या टिश्यू पेपर में आपने देखा होगा कभी तल करके निकाला हो तो उसमें बहुत सारे ऑयल पेचेस लग जाते हैं, ऑयल बहुत सारे लग जाते हैं, तो वो क्या है, वही है फैट. ओके, एंड द फूड इज the fat in the food is confirmed. Okay students, now yes, now see here. Here is the fiber. Okay, fiber are the material that add bulk to the food, and human cannot use fiber as a nutrient. Yes, humans are not use this fiber as a nutrient, and but they help in the easy movement of the body along with the digestive system. Yes students, you all might you all know that fiber is very helpful to digest our food. Yes, fiber is very help us to digest our food. Like there is a oats is a rich in fiber. Yes, oats is a rich in fiber. Oats is a like wheat होता है ना, उसको आपने कभी देखा होगा वीट का ही वो बना होता है, तो जो ओट्स है ना वो बहुत ही रिच इन फाइबर होता है. ठीक है, तो आप और वो ओट्स जो है, ओट्स हो गया, लाइक दलिया हो गया, दे हेल्प अस टू डाइजेस्ट easily digest our food, and they help our digestive system also to digest our food. So yes students, uh, yes, so organism need food nutrients to obtain energy, obtain material for growth, obtain materials for repair of damaged body parts, and carry out life process. So we already discussed with this. So nutrition is very important. Nutrition gives us energy, and with the help of nutrition, material for growth, and in our body there are some damage, some tissues or some muscles are damaged, so nutritions help us to repair that body parts. Okay, that body parts help us to repair with the help of what, nutrients. Okay, and last one is nutrients are help us to carry out our life process. Okay, nutritions are help us to what, to carry out our life process. Okay students, now okay, so now here is one question for you. So oily patch paper test is done to determine the presence of which nutrients in food. Yes, so here is some options: fat, protein, carbohydrates and vitamins. So I will give you the 10 second, you give the answer. Yes, okay. Okay, so the answer is fat. Okay, so answer is the fat. Okay. Now, can anyone tell me what is the balanced diet and why we need balanced diet in our daily life? Yes. Any idea why we what is the balanced diet? Yes, students. Yes, so what is balanced diet? We can say that balanced diet is consists of varieties of different type of food. Yes, and we can say that it provide adequate amount of nutrition which is necessary for our health. Yes, we can say that, or we can say that a healthy diet is a diet that help to maintain or improve our health. Yes, there are uh, lot of definition of that balanced diet. Yes, balanced diet is very essential for our body health, for our growth, for our muscles, for our body. Yes, repair of our body. Yes, okay. So yes, student, and we need this why we need this balanced diet to why to improve our overall health, to maintain our health. Yes. So yes, all are clear that why we need balanced diet to maintain our body health, to maintain our to maintain our overall health. Yes, to repair our health. We can say that. Okay, okay. So now here is the definition of what is balanced diet. So a balanced diet is a food intake that include all the dietary need of the organism in the correct proportion. Yes, I already told you that, in the correct proportions. Yes, and the balanced diet comprise the components like carbohydrates. Yes, there are protein, fats, vitamins, mineral, and enough water. Yes, all the balance diet. Okay, these all are these all contain a proper proportion. Okay, now the balanced diet keeps our body fit and resistance to disease. Okay, so what balanced diet keep our body fit and resistance to the disease? So yes, I already told you that the balanced diet help us to uh, keeps our body fit, okay. Now see, here is one question for you, true and false. Yes, so balanced diet keeps up our body fit and resistance to disease. True or false? So yes, balanced diet keeps our body fit, healthy, and it also keeps us safe to the disease. Yes, so this is true. Okay, okay. Now, so, yes, students, now tell me what you see in your screen. Yes, yes, students, tell me. Yes, Kisorkar, and there is a deficiency disease. Yes, this is a deficiency disease. Okay, students. So we know that sometime what happen, uh, maybe we get enough food, yes, to eat, but there are some time the food may not contain particular nutrients. Yes, we eat different food. We eat different food like dal, chawal, and different food. But there are sometime what happen. There are some nutritions which is required from our body, but these nutritions are not present in our food. Yes, these nutrients are not present in our food. So if this continues over a long period or a time, then what happens? The person may suffer from the deficiency. Okay, what happen if the nutritions it will not if the nutritions it will not if this nutritions continue over the long period, what happens? So there what happens? So this disease can be occur. So the disease that occur due to the lack of nutrition over a long period are called as deficiency disease. Okay, now let's see here what is deficiency disease. Deficiency disease are caused by the lack of certain nutrients. Okay, what? Lack of certain nutrients, and these nutrients. So, this disease can be treated by a properly balanced diet. Okay, this disease can be treated by the properly balanced diet. And if the body is deficient in vitamin, we get vitamin deficiency disease. Like example, there is a pilgra, there is a racket, there is a scurvy, etc. Okay, if minerals are deficient, then we get mineral deficiency. Like example, iron deficiency leads to anemia. Phosphorus deficiency lead to weak bone and teeth. Okay, students, so what you see here? You see here there are the deficiency by the cause of certain nutrients. Okay, there are some if the in our body there is the vitamins deficiencies, there is a lack of vitamins. So what happened in our body? There is a rickets, there is a pilgra, etc. And if the in our body there is a mineral deficiency, then what happens? There is a iron deficiency, then what happens? There is a lead to be anemia. Phosphorus or phosphorus deficiency lead to be weak bone and teeth. Okay, and iron deficiency lead to be a anemia. Okay, now see here. Here is a table. Disease that occur due to lack of nutrients over a long period are called deficiency disease. Okay, there is a vitamins name like vitamin A, B1, BC, I mean C, D, calcium, iodine. These are the vitamins. Okay, and deficiency disease or disorder occur if these vitamins is not present in our body. Okay, students, now see here, and this third one is the symptoms. So if in our body there is a lack of vitamin A, so losses of vision, there is a symptom poor vision, losses of vitamin in darkness, sometimes complete lose of vision. So if students if in our body there is a deficiency of vitamin A, so what happened? We lost our vision. Okay, and now here is second one is B1. So if our body in our body there is a deficiency of B1, so what happened? Weak muscles and very little energy to work. If we work anything, we do anything, so we cannot we feel there is a weakness. Okay, there in muscle there is a weakness. Then in vitamin C के deficiency से क्या होता है? Scurvy way. So bleeding gum, आपने देखा होगा गम से जो teeth होते हैं ना, गम से bleeding होना start हो जाता है. Wounds take long time to heal. Yes, जो घाव है वो भरने में बहुत time लग जाता है. Yes, so विटामिन डी रैकेट्स. यस, विटामिन डी हमें कहाँ से मिलता है? फ्रॉम सनलाइट. एंड if there is a deficiency of vitamin D, so the bones become soft and bent. Okay, soft and bent. So now next one is calcium bone and tooth decay. If in our body there is a deficiency of calcium, what happens? So bone and tooth decay. So symptom is weak bones and tooth decay. So the iodine, and if the iodine is a deficiency in our body, so there is a disorder which is called goiter. Okay, so the gland in the neck appears swollen, mental disability in child. So students आपने देखा होगा कि किसी किसी के जो neck area में है वहाँ पे थोड़ा swelling हो जाता है इतना बड़ा से, तो what we called that goiter. Okay, and why they disorder occur? This disorder occur because of iodine. Yes, deficiency of iodine. So the last one is iron. Iron deficiency. If the deficiency of iron in our body, so the anemia is occur, and anemia is the weakness. Okay, students, clear? Okay. Now, see here, food source and vitamins. Vitamins are the essential nutrients that help us in maintaining normal body functions and also to fight off infections. Yes, in our body, if there is infection occur or if there is any disease occur, so the vitamins help us to maintain this all our functions. Okay, so the fruits and vegetables are the major source of vitamins. Yes, fruit and vegetables are the major source of vitamins, and vitamins also keeps our eyes, bones, teeth, gum and skin is healthy. Okay, students, and AB complex, C, D, E and K are the vitamin we get from different foods. I already told you that there are different food that contain different nutrients, vitamins. Okay, yes. So now see, here is another table. So the vitamins is there and functions of vitamins. So what happened? Vitamin A का functions क्या है? Keep eyes and skins healthy. Yes, if if in our body there is no deficiency of A, so we not have any disease related to eyes or any skin problem is there. So there is a vitamin E1 helps the body use energy from the food we get. So vitamin C help heal wounds, maintains healthy gums and blood vessels, fight infections. Okay, vitamin C किस किस में मिलता है? Like orange. Yes, there is a lot of lemon. There are a lot of citric, there are a lot of fruits or vegetables that contain vitamin C. Vitamin D keeps teeth and bones healthy. Yes, and vitamin E maintain healthy skin and hair, slows down again a powerful antioxidant. So vitamin K is the last and important factor in blood clotting, bones healing and the uh, repair. Okay, students? Okay. Now, here is one question for you. Vitamin D deficiency cause which of the following deficiency? Yes, vitamin D deficiency. I already discussed this. We already discussed this. Yes, rickets. Yes, the vitamin D deficiency cause rickets. Okay. Yes. Now, here is recapitulation what we had done. We had done today the various nutrients. What do various nutrition do in our body? So then balanced diet. Why balanced diet is very necessary in our body? Then deficiency disease. Yes, there is lot of disorder. There is a lot of disorder if we in our body there is a if there is a lot of disease happen if in vitamin is not in our body. So first question is, what is important function of dietary fiber in food? What is the important function of dietary fiber in food? Yes, the answer is the important function of dietary fiber is to digest our food. Yes, it help us to digestive system. So vitamin D deficiency cause which deficiency? Yes, we already do this in poll question also. So the vitamin D deficiency cause rickets. Okay, students. Now here is one question homework for you. Prepare a diet chart to provide balanced diet for 12-year-old child. The diet chart include food items which are not expensive and commonly available in our area. Okay, 12-year child के लिए आपको diet balanced diet चार्ट प्रिपेयर करना है, ठीक है. एंड एक्सपेंसिव एंड जो कि ज्यादा एक्सपेंसिव भी ना हो और कॉमनली आपके एरिया में वो अवेलेबल हो. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ थैंक यू.